Alright, what's going on? It's your boy Beowulf. Back here with another video. It's like bike week here in Myrtle Beach right now. I just saw it come cruise down by the strip on a Friday, and they only have one lane of traffic going, and I can't get off this road if I wanted to, and it's not moving nowhere. And they have police units here called SLED, S-L-E-D. I've never heard of that, so it has to be some type of task force. And yeah, it's a madhouse out here right now, and there's a lot of people. I've been out here and it's been packed. I've never seen anything like this ever in my life. It's crazy. It looks like a war zone out here because it's just police after police. I don't know how happy these police will be being filmed, but I'll try and film it up. I've never seen so many police. Like, look at this. It's like, it's crazy. And every road to get out of here ends up being like this where you can't get off. I somehow got on here and I can't get off. So, I tacked, because tomorrow, Real Gucci Gavin flies in. I told him, I said, man, Gucci, I've never seen it like this ever. And, he said, man, bust out that camera and start filming, make a YouTube video. So that's what I'm doing. Man, I tell you, Myrtle Beach is big things, but it's like, it's crazy. And I'm not even into the area where all the people are. And I'm going to try to get over there, because that's why I thought I could go both ways. But the whole other areas for like emergency vehicles. And I have to say, in Myrtle Beach, man, you guys are on it with making sure places are safe and stuff. It's probably a lot of out-of-state police and stuff here for this week, but that's it, crazy. And like, how do I get off this road? Well, I'm gonna try to get into where there's more people, and it's the goal. Man, it's crazy. This is as far as you can see it being backed up. It's crazy. I gotta show you guys where it's tons of people and what's going on, because this is insane. It's funny. It's like I've been seeing these barriers put up around, like sitting around in certain areas of Myrtle Beach, and I didn't know what it's for. And like, no joke, this thing is like huge here. And I give them credit to make it really safe, because there's a lot of people here, but I'll tell you, there's a lot of police. I can't get off this road. There's another barrier. I guess I'll have to take this to the ends. So like, I'm stuck in traffic tremendously. Going another way to get around. They like fishtail you out of town to cut, and then I come back into town because I want to go this other area. And it's like crazy out here in traffic. I've never seen nothing like this. This is nuts. Welcome to Myrtle Beach, bike week. Well, the funniest thing is the police down here in Myrtle Beach are so much friendlier than the police back in Illinois, I have to say. Like there's police on bicycles. I had a group of police come surround me, and they were asking about if this is the Hellcat. I got the red key going, asked if it's fast, it says nice car, and it's nice to see how friendly people are down here down south. It's cool that, you know, like a lot of people make police officers bad guys, and you know, they're like normal people, you know, it's just a job they have. So you know, have the respect for the police. You know, as long as you don't cause any trouble, they won't be out to come get you. So yeah, the traffic's like insane here. It's 12:27. it's just not going nowhere. I'm almost to like the main strip, so I'm gonna go as little far as I can, but then, you know, I'm gonna stop recording and go home. It's getting late. So Gucci Gavin's flying in today. This morning, in a couple hours, he'll be landing at 10:30. It's 12:27. So you know, like 11 hours from now, Gucci's gonna be